Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to fix the Heartopia can't login issue, especially if you're stuck on the login screen and the game keeps opening your browser but won't finish signing you in. So let's dive in. Now, let me show you what's happening. Let's say, for example, you're trying to log into Heartopia. You sign in with Google, it opens up your browser, then you choose an account, a Gmail account. When you do, it says that you have logged in successfully. And when you try to go back to Heartopia, nothing's happening. You're stuck on this loading screen or sign-in screen. Now, to get this fixed, what you need to do is go back to that same message. Then you want to click on this one. And when you do, you want to enable local network access. Currently, or by default, it's disabled. So let's go ahead and enable this. Then refresh this page. And when you go back to Heartopia, as you can see, you're now able to log in. And basically that's it. So you can go ahead now and start your Heartopia game. That's it. Simple. That's how you fix Heartopia not letting you log in. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.